In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes as blur overlays in Canva. This technique is a quick, design-friendly way to obscure parts of an image or screenshot when you don't need a true pixel blur. Think of it as creating a blurred block or soft cover using shape elements and transparency. It's perfect for hiding private details, guiding focus, or adding a tasteful overlay that blends into your design. Start by placing a shape over the area you want to hide. In the left sidebar, open Elements and search for a rectangle, square, or circle. Click the shape to add it to your canvas, then drag it over the part of the image you want to obscure. Resize from the corners to keep proportions neat, and position it precisely so it fully covers the sensitive area. You can change the fill color in the top toolbar. A neutral gray, a color sampled from your image, or even a brand color can work well. If you're covering multiple areas, duplicate the shape and place copies where needed. Remember, the shape itself isn't actually blurring the pixels, it's acting as a visual overlay to block or soften what's underneath. Next, adjust the shape's transparency to create that subtle, blur-like look. With the shape selected, click the transparency icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a checkerboard. Drag the slider down until the shape is partly see-through but still hides details enough to be comfortable. Somewhere around 30% to 60% often strikes a good balance, but use your eye and the context of your design. If you want a stronger block, raise the opacity. If you want a gentler veil, lower it. If the shape sits behind your image, bring it to the front from the position controls so the cover is clearly visible. For an even softer aesthetic, try Canva's built-in blur style elements. In Elements, search for Blur, and you'll find graphics with soft gradients and hazy edges. Add one to the canvas, place it over the area you want to minimize, and then resize and rotate it to fit. Just like with shapes, fine-tune the transparency so it blends naturally while still obscuring enough detail. These blur graphics don't truly pixelate content, but they do create a pleasing, defocused look that feels intentional and polished. That's all there is to it. Place a shape, adjust transparency, or use blur elements for a softer vibe. With a few quick tweaks, you can protect sensitive details and keep your design clean and professional.